All right, so this is a short video on the current price indicator right here. So just current price, click on it, click new, click apply. And you'll now see the actual current price. So very simple, very easy indicator to utilize. You can change different settings on it to match, whatever you want it to do. But right here, what you can do is you can actually change the width, the view. I mean, if you want to make this wider, smaller, different colors, whatever, hit apply. What it'll do is it'll actually draw that line across the screen for you. And it may look weird if you're off like that, but if you're lined up with the current market, which is a little arrow right here, you'll be able to see it, but it'll move for you. And my favorite reason for using the indicator is it not only does it show you where you're at easily in the chart without even to look over to the right, because that line's always floating right there, but also what it does, it sort of shows you, maybe are you at a support or resistance level? You'll really notice it if you're hitting a deviation level. There's a lot of applications to it, but it's a great visual aid in your trading. It's just to have that on every chart you use. So I highly recommend it on every chart. It just makes things a lot easier. And you can make the color whatever, is your preference. So you can go in here and you're like, well, I don't like that, but I like aqua. Cool. Whatever works for you. It's not a price order indicator. Again, it's just current price, and it'll make it very easy to see where the market currently is and where it is in ratio. See how that lets you see sort of you're at that. This was a resistance level right here. It busted through it. Sort of now a little support resistance zone, came back down, support, support, support. Now it's at that level again. So it really lets you see that looking backwards. And if you even backed out further and went over to like a daily chart, then you can see, obviously the market's been going up, up, up. But you can see, where we at. And right now, visually, you may have never noticed this, but with this was a really easy, so think of it like a very simple trend line. But, this is resistance, resistance, boom. It broke through it yesterday hard. We hit it the day before. We really broke through it yesterday. But now we're coming back down, and the market's trying to decide if it's going to break back through this level right here, just right below, just a few ticks down. That's the low of the day. And decide if it's going to break back down and drop back down below that again or not. So a lot of cool little applications that you can use it for, but that will get you started on it. And flip back over to 4-minute charts.